Hi, welcome to Opto Engineering's Tech Insights. In the world of machine vision, selecting the right lens can make all the difference. Today, we'll explore 3 innovative lens technologies by Opto Engineering: focused tunable lenses, flat lenses, and MultiMag lenses. First up, the TCEL series combines telecentric optics with liquid lens technology, offering a unique solution to increase depth of field. These lenses excel at maintaining excellent optical performance and minimal distortion across various applications, from electronics to the automotive industry. It's a patent-pending technology from Opto Engineering. Next, we have the TC4K series, tailored for measurement applications using line scan cameras. With a design optimized for tight dimensional constraints, the TC4K lenses provide versatility and precision. They seamlessly integrate with TCEL 4K illuminators, offering optical combinations suitable for diverse measurement configurations. Lastly, the TCDP Plus series introduces dual magnification telecentric lenses, ideal for measuring objects of varying sizes or features of varying sizes. These lenses offer repeatability and cost efficiency by eliminating the need for recalibration between magnification changes. Plus, they integrate seamlessly with the CMHO clamping mechanics and LTCL HP collimated illuminators, simplifying your vision system setup. So whether you need increased depth of field, precise measurements in tight spaces, or versatility in magnification, Opto Engineering has the right lens for your machine vision needs. Check out more tech insights on social platforms and on our website.